First thing is, I want to bring to the attention of the House that when there was underground cabling being done, there was no proper monitoring activity which was being done. The contractor with his workers came, they just were digging left, right, center, and they were breaking the gutters, they were breaking the cross drains, and there was absolutely no proper control. It was like fury at rage, the way they were cutting. Following that, the restoration works. I've already brought it to the attention of the Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Power Minister. The restoration that they claim is of two parts. One part is relating to restoration of the gutters, the drains, the cross drains, which have been broken. And after that will be the tarring which will be done by the PWD. PWD refuses to do the work unless these people have put it. And it's only like a ping pong which is going on between one to the other. We have to phone them, we have to threaten them, and then they come with their laborers. Suddenly they disappear. And I think this may be across other constituencies whether you are facing this problem. The contractor, if it is part of his contract, he is bound to fulfill it, and you are bound to ensure it is done. Otherwise, our works consequently are getting delayed.